Hi everyone. I'm Mommy Sandra. We came here to feed the birds. It has been raining all day, so we felt so bored inside. So we decided to come here to feed birds. We came here like 2 months ago, and we thought the baby must missing us, so we are here to feed them. And there is a small playground in here, and Aliana, I think she's gonna play a little bit, then we go back home. It seems like it's gonna rain in again. It's gonna rain all day. That's Glasgow anyway, nothing to be surprised on. We love Glasgow the way it is, our beautiful city. Come with me. You see, they're going. They're going. Ivan, come back here. You stand up there. Good. So
On my side, not
Nana feed birds.
Dictated a time right now. I will be there.
Ivan, come feed the baby too.
Oh my goodness.
Aliana, give birds.
Deal with it.
Let me show you what she's doing now. Look at her. Can I push you?
No, you don't need to push me.
Why you don't want me to push you?
I don't want you to push me very high.
I'm gonna push you slowly. She don't want me to push her hard. She's scared. That's funny.
Somebody cleaning. Told you.
Oh.
Oh.
What's making that sound, Aliana?
It's just this one.
Why?
Because
Mm-hmm.
I cause the make this sound so it can be funny sound.
Oh, I do like that funny sound, Aliana.
Even but that one doesn't make sound, that's why.
So why you prefer that one instead of that one?
Cause look, my leg is down.
Oh, it's too small. Okay, you can use this one.
I guess this one I cut because it's cool. I like it.
Very good.
I really need this one.
And then I think we should go now.
No, I need to swing a little bit more.
Come. I'm pulling with my finger. Okay. Ooh. Are you afraid of the dog? Are you afraid of the dog? Are you afraid of the dog? What a beautiful little girl afraid of the dog. Wait for me.
For you, you stop.